Welcome to our journey into the realm of wealth mindset, where the power of your thoughts can shape your financial future. Imagine a world where your mindset determines your success, where your beliefs pave the way to abundance. Meet Bill, a regular guy like you and me who once struggled to make ends meet. But through a transformative shift in mindset, Bill unlocked a path to financial freedom. His story is a testament to the profound impact of mindset on achieving financial goals and building lasting wealth. Join us as we explore the key to unlocking your own financial potential through the lens of wealth mindset. Meet Bill, a bright-eyed young boy with dreams as vast as the sky, but with financial resources as limited as a trickle. Growing up in a modest neighborhood, Bill's aspirations often felt out of reach due to his family's financial constraints. He harbored beliefs that money was scarce and success was reserved for the privileged few. Despite his talent and ambition, Bill's mindset was clouded by negative thoughts of lack and limitation. Yet deep within him, a spark of hope flickered, igniting a desire for change and a yearning for a brighter financial future. Join us as we follow Bill's journey of transforming his mindset to unlock his true potential. In a pivotal moment of clarity, Bill's mindset undergoes a profound transformation, setting him on a path to financial empowerment. It could have been a mentor's wise words or a personal epiphany that sparked this change. Bill embraces positive affirmations, immerses himself in financial education, and takes intentional steps to cultivate a wealth mindset. Slowly but steadily, his beliefs shift from scarcity to abundance, from doubt to confidence. With newfound clarity, Bill makes empowered financial decisions, prioritizing savings, investments, and smart spending. Witness the remarkable evolution of Bill as he embraces a new mindset and paves the way to a brighter financial future. With his newfound wealth mindset, Bill's financial landscape transforms into a realm of growth and opportunity. His savings multiply, and investment returns soar as he makes informed and strategic financial decisions. Doors once closed now swing open to reveal exciting opportunities that align with his aspirations. Bill's changed perspective on money and wealth not only secures his present, but also paves the way for a brighter future filled with abundance and prosperity. Witness the remarkable journey of Bill as he harnesses the transformational power of mindset to achieve financial success and inspire others to do the same. In conclusion, Bill's transformative journey from a limited mindset to a wealth mindset serves as a powerful reminder of the impact our beliefs have on our financial future. By shifting his perspective and adopting positive financial habits, Bill unlocked a world of opportunities and prosperity. As we reflect on Bill's story, let us examine our own mindset towards money and consider the changes we can make to pave the way for a brighter financial future. Join us on this journey of growth and empowerment by subscribing for more inspiring stories and practical tips on cultivating a wealth mindset. Together, let's unlock our true financial potential and thrive.